The LyfeFocus Ice Bath provides a holistic approach to managing aches, pain and muscle tension. Cold water therapy can have multiple benefits on the body, from reducing inflammation and pain to improving focus and mental well-being. So LyfeFocus have designed a range of ice baths so you can reap these benefits, all from the comfort of your home or garden setting. With multi-layered insulation support and 8 support bars, the LyfeFocus Ice Bath is not only durable, but it keeps the water cold for longer. And with the new bath shape design, this ensures you can stretch out your legs, improving comfort. Now, ice water therapy can be a shock to the system, albeit a healthy one. So LyfeFocus have included all the extras needed to make it as comfortable as possible. This includes a foot mat, pump, heavy-duty ground sheet, drain hose, ice cube trays, protection lid, attachable overcover, thermometer and travel bag. LyfeFocus, kind to body and mind.